नमस्ते बेटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। आई एम डॉक्टर सचिन गुप्ता, एचओडी ऑफ Materia Medica, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVWU. Today I am teaching you Cocculus indica medicine in the Materia Medica practical session. Medicine is a wonderful medicine for nausea and vomiting. All complaints are associated with the nausea and vomiting. For the women and children, is suffer severely during menstruation and pregnancy, unmarried and childless women. Adapt, adapted to bookworms, sensitive romantic girls with irregular menstruation, rakes, onanists, and person debilitated by sexual excess. So this medicine is suitable for rakes and onanists. Nausea and vomiting from riding in carriage, boat or railroad, car, or even looking at a boat in motion. Seasickness, car sickness, related with tobacco and theridion. This medicine is known for car sickness medicine. The symptom is also present in the nux mosquito. Headache in nape and occiput extending to the spine as if tightly bound by a cord. Nausea as if at sea. At each menstrual period, aggravate lying on back of head. Sick headache from carriage, boat or train riding. Diseases peculiar to drunkards. Loss of appetite with metallic taste. Time passes too quickly, too slowly, present in Argentum nitricum and Cannabis indica. Great lassitude of the whole body. Requires exertion to stand firmly. Feels too weak to talk loudly. Bad effects from loss of sleep, mental excitement at night watching. Feel weak if they lose but 1 hour sleep. Convulsions after loss of sleep, of anger and grief. Trembling of arms and legs from excitement, exertion of pain, vertigo as if intoxicated upon rising in bed or by motion of the carriage. Sensation in abdomen of cutting and rubbing on every movement as of sharp thrones of hollowness in hand, head and other parts. During the effort to menstruate, she is so weak she is scarcely able to stand from weakness of lower limb. After each period of hemorrhoids, it is present in alumina and carboanimalis. Patient is very weak from the bleeding. Leukorrhea in place of menses or between the periods, iodium, like the washing of meat, like serum, ichorus, bloody during pregnancy. Cannot bear contradiction, easily offended, every trifle makes him angry, speak hazily. It also present in the anacardium medicine. When fever assume a slow, sneaking, nervous form with vertigo, with disposition to anger, acute umbilical hernia with obstinate constipation after nux failed, aggravation from eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, talking, carriage riding, motion or swing of ship, rising up during pregnancy, etc. In the back, there is paralytic pain in the small of back, pain in shoulder and arms as if bruised, knees crack on motion, trembling, inflammatory swelling of knee, limbs straighten out, painful when flexed, spasmodic yawning, chilliness with perspiration and heat of skin. So these are some symptoms of Cocculus indica, which is a well-known medicine for car sickness. You can compare it with other medicines and read it. References taken from Boric Materia Medica and Allen's keynotes. Session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it on problem solving day. Thank you.